Hello there, my friends, and welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Platinum, we took down Commander Mars, and in this episode, we're going to continue our journey, and we also got the bike, and we're going to continue our journey in the Sinnoh region, and let's talk to this man. Because long time no see, oh, you look puzzled, why are you wondering who am I? I'm Professor Rowan, assistant and Dawn's father. Oh, nice to meet you. I've come a long way to help you on your adventure at Professor. Okay. And we got the EXP share. Nice. And let's check on this trainer. Let's see. Please do not have any electric tires because our jet needs some EXP. I think there is a trainer with a Pikachu near here. And we are getting out leveled. And there's pretty froggy. Okay, Ponyta. I remember all Psychic Grots are always very freaking annoying. Also there is a trick here. If you press B, you can stop. Okay, she had a Ralts. Okay, sorry, Starly. Quick attack, I hate quick priority moves, but I like them when I use them. Please do not use it. Yes, nice. Quick attacks do so many things, like in your speed runs, like in your no damage runs. I never tried a no damage run. Also, if you press B, okay, I think that doesn't work in this game. Okay, and also I hope that egg hatches very soon. I know what Pokemon in that egg, what is the Pokemon in that egg, and let's go for another sparkling area. Okay, Shinx, I knew it. I have rivalry, so opponent gender takes less damage from my moves. And we are official at Route 206, and we got the bike, and let's heal up. We are at Oreburgh City now. Let's heal up, and we got healed up. And also, if you press the B button, the game. Okay, I should have turned into this into a single battle, but the more XP you get, the more the merrier. I hear it from some people. So what should I go for? Let's go for a spark on that Chimchar, and let's go for a quick attack on that Pachirisu. Bye bye Chimchar. Sorry Alex. And also my voice is little bit different, but I got it right now. And let's go for another quick attack. Let's go for Spark, and freaking rivalry helps it to survive the hit. Rivalry can mess up very hard. So let's not start at front. Let's dismount our bike because I won't be edged. And another trainer, no! Buzzle! And let's go for a wing attack. Bye bye, Buzzle! Star Grow to level 26. Luxio! Sparkling area. Let's go for an Ember. Even though we have film, we have a modest nature, so Ember will do so much. So yeah, Gligar, nice. You do your thing. Ember will okay, it survived, but it went for Fury Cutter anyways. So it's just. And also we are adding a new team member in this episode if possible. I will. Okay. Okay, Geodude. Let's go for Mach Punch. It survived magnitude 5. Okay, they know ground type moves. And also our team can't handle ground types or rock types that well. Okay. Bye bye. Alex 0 to level 26 and wants to learn Faint. No, I do not want Faint. The only Protect spamming Pokemon in this game is... Really? What is this? Is this Emerald guys? Oh, let's go Steve. Also, Steve doesn't got granted enough. Steve has simple now and it had defense skull, so defense skull with rollout can be really good. And Steve almost grew to 1. We got the freaking rare candy. I'm gonna heal up our party. I'll see you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up our party and let's continue. As I said, I'm gonna add a new team member to our party, and also the moment I deposit our Steve, we need cut. So I can't be asked to bring that thing back. So sorry Steve, you should learn this. Please, sorry, please forgive me, please. Please, even though we have a HM slave, sorry, I wanna do it. I want to do it. And a wild Pokemon. Okay, I think there is a trainer near here. But before I got a Burn Hill. Okay. Okay guys. Another freaking thing. Gligar. Let's run. I think you can't even get the thing to evolve it until post game. No, you can get it. You can get it, but it's so freaking... I won't be asked to use an Gligar because I love Gliscor, but I have team another ground type. We already have flying type, and also by the route I'm going, you can save what the place. Okay, this is not the way. Okay guys, I got into the cave and I'm gonna find the Pokemon. I'll see you guys when I found the Pokemon. So there it is guys, there it is. We can find level 21 but level 20 Gible, but can be asked to find another. So it had Dragon Rage, so that can decimate our team very well. But let's go for some Pokeballs. Where are they? Yes, let's go for one great ball. Please catch that thing. No! If we're going for takedown. No. Let's go for a heal ball. Please catch that thing. No. Please do not go for yes. No, okay. Let's go for a Pokeball. No. Yes, its attack missed. Let's go for another Pokeball. Let's see guys when I catch this thing. Oh my freaking god, I caught it. And also I'm gonna name it. I have some names for it. I'll see guys when I figure out a name. Should I name it Top or Boomy? Okay guys, I thought of a good nickname. I thought of naming it Top or Boomy or Bolin. But I thought it's a dragon, so I wanna name it in Dragon from Avatar The Last Airbender, and I'm gonna name it Avatar Roku's Pet Dragon Fang. And also let's pop up and repel because oh my god, encounters are stupid. Let's go for okay, repel. I have 7 of them. And also I want to found a TM. You know what TM is that? The TM. What the freaking Let's go for another repel. What the actual hell, man? Okay. Okay, my repel effect went war off. Oh man! The egg is hatching. Okay. We got Sunny Side. If you don't know why I'm naming Sunny Side, watch my hard gold playthrough. You'll know. Okay. And also thank you Sunny Side for ruining all of my plans. The repel. Thank you, repel. This freaking puzzle. I'll see you guys when I figure this out. Oh my god! Oh my god! I finally figured this puzzle out! My god! Okay, let's go. And we found TM26 earthquake! Yes! Oh my god! I thought I can't get this TM, but I finally got it, guys. Finally got it. And also let's head out of this cave so I can end up the episode. But I've figured out the puzzle, and also what the actual hell is this? And so okay, another Geodude. Let's go for another car. So since we got an Gible on our team, so I think there are no more trainers. Steve coming in clutch with his water gun. Yes. Let's get rid of defense spell. And so why I came here is after talk, if you pick any of our hand, we get the versus sticker. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode. Let's play Pokemon Platinum. And yeah, Oscar and I'm gonna grind our Gible up to a reasonable level. And that's it. Peace out.